bird.
Looking at birds, copying birds' noises, recording them, making films of them, doing all sorts of things. And out of it, we got some rather nice things that we want to show you today. We've made some bird imitations. People move like the birds move. And I've got on tape, I've got some bird whistles that you'll hear. And we've even got some whistlers here. Let's hear the whistles just before we start. Wow. Okay, that's it. Thank you. These are our birds in the trees. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are stick players. Right, take your stick players. Good. And in a moment you're going to meet two little girls from Rosewall who, well, you'll find out about what they did. Of Cape Barren geese. And you're going to meet a whole lot of bustards, which are birds that walk with their heads very high in the air. And you're going to meet some brolgers, who are rather beautiful birds. And we met a brolger called Henry, and he was our favourite bird at the Serendip Wildlife Station. But anyway, enough of my talking. Let's start the show. We call it the Rosewall Birds, and here we go.
Rosewall girls, Margaret and Olga, were turned into dancing brothers. They watered and flew, no work would they do. They floated to girls, Margaret and Olga. The dear old Cape Barren goose wails along on short stumpy legs. I got loose. He walked around without a sound, and that was the end of that goose. There was an old Cape Barren goose. I think he might have got loose. Who once was tied up very loose. One day he got out and fell on his snout, and now they can tie him so loose. Cape Barren goose, striding cautiously, his short stumpy legs, webbed feet, pecking with his green beak, searching for food. He creamed his feathers before he goes. Showing off in front of his mate, running around, wrecking his grave. best broker and he was the best dancer too. He could jump in the air, he could skip and hop, he could flap his wings in the air and on the ground too. There was an old character called Henry who was undoubtedly friendly. He joked and he pecked, our fingers he read, he thought it hilarious mentally. I once knew a dog called Roger who ate and ate till he grew older. He loved apple pie and I still wonder why, and that is the story of the Roger. The huge, elegant Roger gracefully lifts his wide wings to dance, and the fresh cold wind blows at him.
beauty. They all concentrated very well, didn't they? In fact, I really hope that they get back to being people again after all that. We had a little problem early on because I got these magic fingers, you know, and when I flicked them to begin with, they kept changing into birds. A couple of times I sort of couldn't quite get them back again, but they're getting the idea now and they're changing back by themselves, and you'll recognise them around the place later. You were a terrific audience, weren't they? Hey? All right, marvellous audience. They loved doing it for you, and I think it's because you listened and watched so well that everybody felt so good performing for you. Tomorrow, we're all going down, all of us out this part of the world, we're going down to do 2 performances in the Corio shopping centre at the village, and if your mum or dad happens to be on holidays tomorrow or home or whatever, tell them about it, because we'd love to see them down there at 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock to come and see us perform. It's been beaut to have quite a few parents here today, but if you know that mum's going shopping tomorrow, or perhaps dad's going shopping, mum might be out working, who knows, pop down there and tell them to pop down and have a look at the show. Okay? Thanks very, very much. I'll hand you over now to your teachers to reassemble, lucky people, reassemble in your classes and go on with a little bit more work for the day. Terrific. Been good being here. That was our last performance in the school, but somewhere we've lost our power. What happened there? What I want to say was that the first Thursday back, Jenny, who's been working in there with the dancers, and I are coming to perform for everybody with a couple of other people. We're going to perform for the whole day so that everybody has a chance of coming in and seeing us performing for you, because, of course, a lot of your people have been performing for us. So thank you very much.